I will provide a link in description for this files. Now open this Python file in your code editor. Download these libraries using pip install library name. Here you can put your own video URL. Just clear this and paste your URL. Open this text file and here paste that same URL you paste on alarm file. Now double-click on alarm file. Here enter time on which alarm goes on.
This is Joe. Say hi, Joe.
Hi.
He's a designer.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like, click that like button and also subscribe the channel. And don't forget to check description. See you soon.